Hey gang, Kevin here, Life22, and we've got another reading of your weekly prescription of Luke Winke's nonsense. So right here, we actually this is like a journal entry with different transaction logs through the JLS. So it kind of gives you a brief update of what happened around the beginning of November to the end of November of 2023. And then, so this will be tonight's little bit of a read to kind of give us an update. So, minute entry for processing held before Honorable John L. Sinatra Jr. Revocation hearing as to Luke Marshall Winke, scheduled but not held on November 7th, 2023, for reasons discussed on the record. I'd like to know what that is. Plea on violation of supervised release held instead. Defendant sworn. Defendant admits to allegations in charge 5 of the second amended violation petition. Court accepts defendant's admission and defendant is adjudged to have violated charge number 5. Sentencing set for November 21st, 2023 at 10 a.m. before the Honorable Judge L. Sinatra Jr. Report due from probation on or before November 14th. Probation to follow up on arrangements for defendant's psychiatric evaluation. Bet that'll go well. Defendant remains remanded pending sentencing. Appearance for the government was Michael D. Giacomo. For defendant, Frank Passafume. For probation, Matthew Zenger. Defendant present. Court reporter Bonnie Weber, KLH. And then that was entered on November 8th, 2023. Notice of attorney appearance, Notice of attorney appearance, Michael D. Giacomo appearing for the USA. Giacomo, Michael entered, and this was entered on 11/8/2023. Arrest warrant returned, executed on 10/4/2023 in case of Luke Winke. Is this going backwards? No. Okay. Anyways, in case as to Luke Marshall Winke, SG. Entered 11/8/2023. Attorney update in case as to Luke Marshall Winke. Attorney John B. Fabian terminated. CGJ. Let's see here. Entered 11/9/2023. Letter from Luke Winke to the court received 11/15/2023. KLH. I'm guessing these are different court employees entering data into the system. Entered 11/15/2023. Minutes entered for proceedings held before Honorable Judge Sinatra Jr. L. Sinatra Jr. Sentencing on violation for supervised release as to Luke Marshall Winke, scheduled but not held on 11/21/2023. Status conference held instead. Probation advises the parties and the court that it has been unable to identify a provider to provide the recommended evaluation based on feedback from Horizon. Court adjourned sentencing to 12/5/2023 at 9 a.m. Parties to confer with probation and try to identify a provider who is available and qualified to provide the evaluation as discussed on the record. Parties to file a joint status report by 11/28/2023. If necessary, the sentencing hearing may be converted to a status conference. Appearance for the government, Michael D. Giacomo. For the defendant, Frank Passafume. For probation, Matt Zenger. Defendant present. Court reporter Bonnie Weber, KLH. Entered 11/21/2023. super exciting stuff. Just a little follow-up update. That's just a taste, I guess. And then we will have another release tomorrow for you. Fridays and Saturdays, we've been typically trying to release some more of the Luke files. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.